At her hot dog stand, Julia sells hot dogs for $2 each. Purchasing hot dogs and other supplies costs $200 per month. The solution of which of the following inequality models the number of hot dogs H Julia can sell per month and make a profit? So, some of you have practiced these enough that you will be able to just quickly intuit that the answer is E. And so this video is if you haven't had enough practice with these yet to be able to intuit. Some of you just think that some students are geniuses, and though those students exist, the majority of students that are able to intuit this is just because they have practiced these problems enough, and you can get enough practice as well to start to intuit these. So the further you make it in the program, the better you'll get at just being able to know. So one way that you can start to train your brain to think about these is just visualize the reality of this scenario happening. So knowing that for every $2 or for every hot dog she sells, she's going to get $2. So we know right there that the number of hot dogs sold times 2 is going to be the total amount of money that she brings in. We also know that she has $200 of costs per month. And so whatever amount of money she brings in needs to be greater than 200 for her to make a profit. And so 2 times X is going to be how much money she brings in. 2 times the number of hot dogs she sells. And whatever that is, she's going to have to subtract 200 from that, because that's how much she is paying per month in expenses. And that number is going to need to be greater than 0 for her to make a profit. So whatever amount of money she brings in, which is 2 times the number of hot dogs, minus that initial $200 she spent, if that number is greater than 0, she made a profit. If it's less than 0, she did not make a profit, meaning that we have answer